Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are in St. Maarten. This is actually one of our favorite cruise destinations. It's very special to us because it's one of the first ports we ever visited when we started cruising in 2018. This port is really nice. There's plenty going on. Places to eat, grab a drink, shop, take pictures.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy fridge magnets. We're gonna make our fridge look really tacky. We're gonna fill it up with magnets everywhere we go. So
Magnets, bottle openers.
well, magnets. We'll put fridge magnets. Yeah.
Our plan was to go to the beach today, and most people take the water taxi, but we decided to walk. It's really only about 15 minutes.
So
But yeah, it took some time. Just made it to the And of course, we had to come back to Blue Beach Bar. This was actually one of our very first cruise excursions. So now we like to stop by whenever we're in St. Maarten. Look out, look who he found, look who he found, look who he found.
Right now we're here, they at my place, they found me at the Blue Beach. My homie just land.
yes.
We're gonna have a blessed week.
Where you at?
Blue Beach Bar.
Where?
Right on the boardwalk. That's where we're kicking it back for
St.
the rest of the
Maarten.
week.
Yes.
96 degrees in the Caribbean.
We always
Yeah.
spot you before you spot us.
Right now, I'm reaching out to Rose and Troy Travel. They're hanging out, passing through. They're at the Blue Beach Bar. Fun full day. Troy, more love. Rose, more love. More prosperity. Love you! Never mind, nice seeing you again.
Yeah.
And I hope you have time when you get back to like swing for a day or two.
And that was Brian. We met him the very first time we came here. Anytime you come to St. Maarten, this is a good spot to check out.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did one by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry yo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
So headed back, we decided to take the water taxi because there's really some good views too.
I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu.
Before we get back on the ship, Troy decided to get that magnet that we were talking about in the beginning of our video. We used to get shot glasses, but now we decided we're going to get magnets from every port that we visit.
Okay. You want this one? You like this?
I like that one.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
Thanks so much for watching, and because of you, we just reached 100 subscribers. See you next time.